outside tonight. Let the fear just fade from sight. Leave the ego far away before you step inside today. Silence came and spoke to me. You are more than what you see. Masks were falling to the ground, shadows turning into sound, and my heart began to know the truth that only love can show.
Leave your pride right at the door. Don't bring it into something more.